Hi Gunjan.
Hi Nikhil.
Okay, so can you please tell me what's generative AI?
So generative AI has been there for many years already, but the computation power which it had was not sufficient. So currently we have those computation powers and cloud services which help in training efficiently in large amount of data.
Okay.
So we can say that it's a part of AI models and which helps you to create a new content based on the data which you provide to it during the training process, and the data amount and volume is in in trillions and in petabytes of data are provided for the training purposes, and it develops its own insights, its own intuitions into that, and provides you the best possible answer to your query.
Okay.
That's one of the usage of the generative AI, and other is you use to create you can create artistic images based on your input, and and other fields are being explored with the
Okay.
help of it.
Okay, got it. So thank you for sharing your thoughts about generative AI. And now can you please let me know why the company should use it and why it is important to use generative AI?
Let's say you are a company with some manuals, and you have employed some person to explain to the client, to their customer or client about the features and everything. So it will be, and the audience with that person will cater to is mostly 1 or 2% at a time. With the generative AI you can cater to your client 24/7 without any breakage, loss of data. Your model will always use the input from the data from the client, and to improve its own answers for the next customer. And this is just a small example how they can be used. It is like you can use your data to summarize your large text of documents, which you need to read line to line, word by word, but you need to know the context or the gist of that document. For example, in the case of a lawyer firm, there are documents for related to laws, uh, criminal laws, and there are separate document for every other sections. So we can summarize so that we can use the generative AI to extract those answers from those documents. We just need to provide it a proper prompt or proper question to the AI.
Okay, thank you. In terms of generative AI, what we can provide to our customer and what are the services we can provide?
So for currently we are catering to clients. So a client comes to us with their requirement for a specific need. For example, there will be a read for them to summarize their PDFs document. It will be a kind of a manual, or it could be employee document, or it could be a CV. So we need to provide a solution. So whatever we query to the chat in the to the AI, it should give the result from those documents itself. That's one of the requirements. Second is like we have to create some certain special conditions, so that we can provide we can make it more interactive with the client. So we are currently using that. So we help the client to decide on which model to choose, either uh, open source or the paid versions like the chat gpt or the Bard. And we then provide our expertise in terms of fine tuning those models as per the client's requirement. And we try to give them after support also, so that so that we can improve on that model with in the future as well.
Okay, got it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Nikhil.